Hi, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. Right now I'm with Nubi. We are stopped to do an estimate. We serve to Central Florida, Davenport, Champions Gate, Arbordale, Kissimmee, Orlando, Ponciana, Haines City, Claremont, Winter Garden, and all Central Florida. I love dogs. This is the reason why I start a cleaning business, because sometimes it's hard to keep everything in place, especially with pet hair. So I run a small janitorial, residential, and commercial cleaning services in Davenport, Champions Gate, Florida, and my name is Fiorella, like Cinderella, and you can contact me at 407-572-4118 or visit our webpage anyhousecleaning.com. Thank you. Bye. Bye, Nubi.